In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive multiple videos in Loom. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, archiving videos can be a great way to keep your workspace organized and ensure that you only have your active content front and center. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open Loom. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account. It's pretty straightforward. Just enter your credentials and you'll be good to go. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard, which is also known as your My Library. This is where all your videos are stored, making it the ideal place to access anything you need. Now look for the video section within My Library. This is where all your recorded videos will be waiting for you. Take a moment to scroll through and familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't used it very much. When you're ready, it's time to identify the videos you want to archive. Whether you're decluttering or simply want to set aside some less important videos, find the ones you want to move. You might want to take your time scrolling through your collection to avoid missing any that should be archived. To begin the archiving process, you'll need to select the first video. Locate the thumbnail of the video you want to archive, and you'll see a small checkbox on the left side of it. Click that checkbox. Now your first video is selected. But we're not done yet. You want to archive multiple videos after all, so go ahead and look for the other videos you wish to include. Click the checkboxes for those videos as well. Just keep clicking on each checkbox next to the thumbnails until you've selected all the videos you want to move to your archive folder. Once you've made your selections, you'll notice that an action bar appears at the top of the screen. This bar is your helper. It gives you the option to manage your selected items. Among the choices, there's an option labeled Archive. Go ahead and click on that. By clicking Archive, you're telling Loom to move those videos from your main library to the archive folder. This is a great feature because it clears up your view and helps you focus on the content that matters most right now. After you click Archive, you might see a prompt confirming that your videos have been archived successfully. If everything went according to plan, those selected videos will now be tucked away in your archive folder, safe and sound. To check that everything went smoothly, you can navigate to your archive folder either through the navigation menu or from the My Library section. This is just to double check that nothing went awry and your videos have been successfully archived. And that's all there is to it. You've just archived multiple videos in Loom in a few simple steps. It's a straightforward process that can really help with maintaining your digital workspace. So whether you record a lot of tutorials, meetings, or personal notes, it's great to know how to manage your library effectively. Remember, keeping things organized not only saves you time when you're looking for videos later, but it also gives you a clear path as you create new content. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and happy archiving in Loom!